Then next we are coming to discuss in the context of India, in our country, how it is. Ganga Brahmaputra Basin. Ganga starts from Gangotri and it merged in the Bay of Bengal. In between it passes through many states going towards the Bangladesh, and then again it returned back to our country, and with the entrance of this Brahmaputra river, they form the largest delta of the world and merge towards the Bay of Bengal. After forming the delta, which is known as Sundarban Delta, then it merges towards the Bay of Bengal, flows towards the Bay of Bengal. So now this is the subtropical region. Now tropical region we have discussed. Where it is? It was in Amazon River Basin, which lies in the tropical region. Now coming to discuss with the subtropical region. To start with this, first of all try to understand which region is known as the subtropical region. This already you have done in your previous classes. This is 0 degree equator. This is equator. This is 23 and half degree south, and this is 66 and half degree south. The same way it is 23 and half degree north, and this is this line actually 66 and half degree north. So the region between this is known as subtropical region. The subtropical region extends up to 30 degree latitude in both northern and southern hemisphere. Up to 30 degree latitude. From this is 23 till the 30 degree, because this curvature is of the 66 and half. So in between the 30 degree Celsius, the 30 degree north and the 30 degree south, this region is known as the subtropical region. Subtropical region. This extends up to 30 degree. The Ganga and Brahmaputra river flows through the subtropical region, and they have formed Ganga Brahmaputra basin in subtropical belt. So this is about that, the flow of the river, the drainage system of our country, and they flow 10 degree between this. What is the length? It has been mentioned over there, extend up to 30 degree latitude. What it is that? It lies in the subtropical region between situated during this is from the 10 degree. Till the 10 degree, it is the tropical region. After 10 degree onwards, till the 30 degree, it is known as subtropical region. 10 degree north and 10 degree in 30 degree north. The same manner, 10 degree south and the 30 degree south is considered as the subtropical region. But here we are coming to discuss in the context of India. So India lies in the northeastern hemisphere. India lies in the northeastern hemisphere. So it is completely in the 10 degree north and 30 degree north latitude, and the climate of Ganga Brahmaputra basin is hot and humid. Summers are warm and wet, while the winters are very cold and dry. Rainfall is very heavy. We have actually due to the monsoon weather season, but mainly concentrated during only the 3 months. When the heavy rain comes, these are the months of June, July and August. In these 3 months, this country experiences heavy rainfall. So it is also considered as a land of monsoon type of climate. Then it is about that the majority of population of Ganga Brahmaputra basin is is engaged in agriculture. What type of the work they are doing? They are doing agriculture. Then the soil in this region is very fertile and suitable for cultivation of various crops. Agriculture is there, but what are the crops grown in this region? Is the most important among them is rice, then wheat, jute, sugarcane, and tea. These are the main crops of this region. Then a large number of people are also engaged in industrial and tertiary occupations. The density of population is very high in this region. Due to that, the agricultural productivity. This is the main trees which is found in this region. This is now we are talking about vegetation. Or in a simple way, we can say that the trees. Which type of the trees are found over here? They are sal, teak, bamboo. They are mostly found in Assam. In which region? Assam. Then in mangrove forests are also found in Sundarban Delta region. Just now I told you that before to merge into the Bay of Bengal, this is Ganga and Brahmaputra. They join together and form the largest delta of the world. Largest delta of the world, which is known as Sundarban Delta. Name is Sundarban. Sundarban Delta is formed. So this is about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, the forest which is rich in wildlife. This forest actually, this Sundarban forest, Sundarban Wildlife Sanctuary is also there with the name of this Sundarban Delta. Wildlife Sanctuary. What type of the animals are found in this region? They are the various type of the animals or in the wild animals are found over here. Most common of them are the one-horned rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros are very common, and the Royal Bengal tiger. These are the very common animals found in the forest of this Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The other animals include elephants, deer, crocodile, alligators, and monkeys. These are also some of the animals which they are found in this region. Now the next topic which we are coming to discuss is about the life in the temperate regions. Gradually, on the different climatic conditions, we are discussing about that. First of all, started with the equatorial type of climate, then tropical, then subtropical. Now coming to discuss with this the temperate region, where the temperate climate is been found and what are their impact on the human life, their development, animals, vegetation, everything, how it is getting affected. So here in the context of two, one is about the prairies, another is about the plains. These two types of the grasslands, these are actually the grasslands of the world. Coming to discuss what type of the grasses are been grown in these areas and why these areas are not suitable or fit for the growth of the big trees. The grasslands which are found between subtropical and subpolar regions. Subpolar, this is again this This is known as the 90-degree and known as the polar region. On the poles, equator, Tropic of Cancer, then this is the 66.5 degree, also known as the frigid zone, then comes to the pole. The same way, equator, then Tropic of Capricorn, then frigid zone, southern frigid zone, and the poles. Poles is at the 90-degree. So what it says that about this, the where is actually the temperate zone and the subpolar, not exactly on the pole, but on the polar region. Subpolar region means not at the poles but below that, towards the frigid zone. It is known as the subpolar region. The grasslands which are found between subtropical and subpolar regions are known as temperate grasslands. These grasslands experience moderate climate with limited rainfall. This is the means the special features or the features of the temperate grasslands. Moderate climate, and what is the importance of this moderate climate? What is the important feature of moderate climate? Limited rainfall is the most important feature of the moderate climate. These grasslands are located in the interior of the continents. Interior means inside the mainland of the continents, wherever the different grasslands like prairies, vales are found or grown. They are not outer area or not on the outskirts, but it is in the interior of the continent. And they are known by different names in different continents. That is prairies in North America, pampas in South America, steppe in Asia and Europe, downs in Australia, and vales in South Africa. So what we are coming to discuss over here is about, this is prairies of North America and vales in South Africa. So this is the two which we are coming to discuss in detail. This is the prairie, the picture of prairie. So what it says about that, what is the special features of the prairies? The grasslands in the North America. Try to remember this. This is the North America. Are known as the prairies, the important grasslands. They are situated in USA and Canada. Where are they? USA and Canada. The prairies are found in these two countries. This area is drained by the river Mississippi and its tributaries. Mississippi river is there and its tributaries are also there. The prairies have a continental type of climate. Means that it is a mixture of climate. Summers are hot while winters are cold. The temperature during the summer season is about 20 degrees Celsius and during the winter it is minus 20 degrees Celsius. During the winter it is minus 20 degrees Celsius. So this is that the continental. The rainfall is scanty, very less rainfall. Scanty means that the less rainfall in this region, which is not sufficient to grow trees. This is the reason behind it. First of all, the climatic condition is not suitable for the growth of the big trees, as well as the rainfall is also very less, which do not support for the growth of the trees. The most important natural vegetation in the prairies is the grass. What is the most important? It is grass. Name is only grasslands. Then earlier inhabitant, the human life, red Indians. Red Indians. They lived in the tribes and lived a primitive form of life, not a very developed, the primitive, the old traditional method of the life they are still practicing. Most of the people who are settled here are migrant from either from Europe or they are the descendants of the Europeans. Either they are these red Indians, they are either from the Europe or they are the descendants of the Europeans. The prairie is the most important productive agricultural land in the world. Most productive land. The farms are big in size and work is mostly done with the help of the transport, which includes transfer of either goods or people from one place to another by air, water or land. Well-developed transport system is our most vital need to knit the far-flung regions. This is a good network of roadways, railways, navigable waterways and airways is the lifeline of the this is now what we are discussing about that. The prairies grasslands were earlier inhabited with the red Indians and the descendants of the Europeans. Prairies are one of the most productive agricultural land in the world. The farms are big in size and work is mostly done with the help of the machines. Then hand work is not been done. Most of the work done over here is with the machines. These are the machines. Means the manual labor is not required or very less. So what it says that this type of farming is also known as extensive farming. The type of farming is extensive. Farming. This type of farming is done over here. Wheat is extensively grown here. What is the most important crop? Is wheat. This is important areas for the wheat production in the world, and for this reason only this area is called the bread basket of the world. Prairies are known as the bread basket of the world. Other than this, other than wheat, they have the important crops like maize, barley, oats, rubber, tobacco, cotton, etc. These are the crops grown in the prairies. Next, we are coming to discuss about the fields. This is in South Africa. Grasslands in South Africa is known as vales. This is also the temperate grassland in South Africa are called the vales. These grasslands are located in the eastern part of South Africa, and the vales experiences moderate type of climate, just like as the prairie. The summers are very hot while the winters are mild, but their winters are also minus 20 degrees Celsius. Here it is now a bit change. Here winter is mild. This region experiences no rainfall. No moderate rainfall is also there. Very less rainfall is when experiences over here. Then the dry climatic condition in this region, plants do not grow here. Growth of plantation is not there. Grasses are the dominant vegetation of the field. So what is the most important vegetation? Here it is grass. The main occupations of the people living in this region are the mining occupation. Human life, their occupation is mining, farming, mining, farming and cattle rearing. So these are the main occupations of the people to survive in this vale region. Because of that, the vegetation is not so fine. Grass is only been grown over here. Then the cattle rearing are common in the eastern parts, while the sheep rearing is common in the western part. So this is the both the parts in the eastern and the western. Eastern cattle rearing and in the western is, and while sheep rearing is common in the western parts. Dairy products, as they are rearing the cattle, so the dairy products like meat, and leather. Meat and leather which are obtained from cattle, while sheep are reared for wool. This is the dairy products like meat and leather. Then next is about that from the sheep. Wool is also been produced, and this comes under the main occupation of the people who they rear the sheep. The main cultivation of crops, the crops which grown over here is maize, wheat, barley, oats, tobacco, potato, etc. So it is same like as that the prairies, the same type of the crop is grown in the veld region of South Africa also. This is about that the velds. This is the main occupation in the western side of prairies, in the western side of the veld in South Africa. Sheep rearing. What it is? The sheep rearing in South Africa, which is of the veld, which is actually done for the wool. And the people who they are involved or engaged are doing the work of the sheep rearing, they do the trade with this wool.